Hello friends, inside Babaji. I want to show you my house today from inside and outside also. So take outside view like this, and there is a cow also my back, and let's go. This was my Scooty, okay, TVS iQ, and this my first room. I also call this is guest room. Lights on, and see how it was looking beautiful. This is cooler, my small cooler, my best friend also in summer. This bag, Sugi bag. Okay, let's go to another room. Now show you another room. This is my bedroom. Okay, not like bedroom. It is also study room and also sleeping room and other all activities I do here. Okay, and let's go to another room. This is my third room. Okay, here is my small brother OP. OP, say hi, hello.
Hi,
to my
hello,
friends.
friends.
Okay, so this is kitchen. Okay, not large kitchen, not a small kitchen, medium size kitchen. Here is gas chula and cylinder downside. Okay, so keep watching, keep subscribe. Bye bye.